Yo, what's good people? I'm here with my guy LLB. It's been a little while since we did a video together on the channel, man, so he's just pulled up to the new Cactus Lab and we're gonna keep it casual for this one. We're just gonna cook up a couple beats. I'm thinking for the first one, maybe some guitar trap, and then not really sure on the second one yet, but let's just get straight into it.
Let's go.
What are we saying for the first one?
Which one were we going for? Like the Nines one or the Davies kind of style?
But should we just do like just some wavy, like nice guitar trap?
Yeah.
You know how to make those, don't you?
It's like a warm-up beat, isn't it? Yeah. It's like some wavy stuff.
You've done a couple of those on the channel. I'm thinking we like start with something but make it real vibey, you know, like a lot of reverb and stuff.
Yeah. Try the C sharp down. It's the area. What kind of drums?
I don't want to go like, I'm thinking trap drums. Obvious option is down 5. I've used that so many times.
Have you tried like knocking this up 5 and then finishing on the B instead of starting on it? Like down 5.
Yeah. Cool to have something like a bit different. We're thinking some real guitar on top.
Yeah, like a simple top line maybe.
Some like weird, you know, just to get some texture, like reverse it, rearrange it, bottle it. How many guitar trap beats do you think you've made in your days?
Too many.
I could do some like trippy effect on the top line.
Yeah.
Thinking like some kind of like vocal shot, but just like a real trippy, nothing too melodic, you know, like a...
Yeah. That's kind of cool.
A little slide.
Try.
I say like spins is my all-time favorite. I think I use it in more beats, but
Yeah.
I like the Zay as well.
Zay works. I mean,
Like
both work
spin,
for pretty much everything. But I like combining them now. Like have the go-to ones like Zay spins, and then like put like a random trippy one, like experimental one in it as well. Like, pop in my head, but it's not even playing.
I always do that. If you want, I'll give you the driver's seat for a minute.
Yeah, the
Just to
chair.
switch it up on camera, yeah. Gotta be sat on a stool the whole day.
Yeah, that's how that leads into the other one. But too much. It's kind of nice,
it's kind
isn't
of
it?
nice as it is.
Yeah, but like a kick or something maybe. But
Oh yeah.
about half time, and then this with a bass, like a synth bass.
That's kind of hard.
It's trippy, isn't it?
Like loads of delay and it rises up, then you cut it off.
Oh yeah, that makes sense.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That kind of effect. About there?
I think so.
Oh shit, we've got the counter melody of the guitar as well.
Oh shit, yeah. This part, but just here instead, and then you can bring this across.
Bring that whole thing back. And just have this. Alright, we finished the first beat, man. I think this one sounded crazy, but see what you guys think. Guess it is some kind of like Travis Scott vibe, isn't it?
Yeah.
The trippiness, anyway.
LLB, J Cactus.
What could you hear on it?
You like DBE or something like that?
Yeah, and Honcho maybe.
Yeah. That's nice.
Back around. You got time for a second one?
Yeah. I think we could do some
do
samples.
something quick. Yeah, like sampled or a loop or something.
Made a really nice R&B beat with Journey Beats the other week.
Oh yeah?
That was kind of nice, like sampled, but kind of like realistic drums.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of dark vibes that I've been making recently, but there's a few other ones as well. I think there's like an R&B one. I'll just play some and see what you think.
That one, I think.
Pick the one that isn't dark.
I might have an idea for a chop. Okay, bear with me.
Trust in the process.
Yeah. New ones.
Well, like everyone's beat is gonna have these new vocals in it for a couple months.
Yeah.
You can see where it's going.
live sounds, live kicks.
Like a stomp, maybe? Like a subtle stomp?
Yeah. Maybe keep like a bit more of the low end with it.
Loop, like really subtle under it.
Yeah.
Go to loops and then hat loops. Might be one in there.
8 BPM.
Is that what I put?
That's kind of hard. I don't think the snare is hitting hard enough, like the clicks. Something harder. Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Drop it.
Yeah. Oh, and what about the vocals but pitched down and then it leads back to the...
Different style to what I've made before anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Yeah, it's nice to just like start something random and see where it
Yeah,
goes.
that's true. So you come up with the best stuff, I guess.
Yeah. And yeah, play with the resin. Maybe automate that and then just automate it up, mix it all. Actually, maybe that octave that you just had. Ooh, that's it. Oh, sick.
The finish
That's all it needed, yeah. Part in the lyrics where it kind of repeats in a second.
First time slower,
Yeah.
then it gets higher,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then the breakdown. Alright man, so we finished the second beat, completely different vibe to the first one. Something I haven't really made before, ever, so yeah, I'm feeling the vibe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what genre you'd call it as well, so I don't know. I guess it is like pop vibe, but
Yeah. Sam Smith or something. Plugged it.
you can hear rapping in this part as well though.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, the live drum sounds are nice.
Yeah. Nice snare rolls and stuff. Yeah, this is the best part. This is the best part.